Hey, what's up fellas? It's your boy Gaz coming again with another video, and today we're doing another boot review. I'm excited. Well, you guys know I'm always excited when I do this boot review because I love boots. What can I say? Today we're taking a look at another New Republic Chelsea boot, aka the Carl belted boots, whatever you want to call it. This is from New Republic by Mark McNary. No, this is not a sponsored video, although I want to give a shout out to Frank, the leader from Mellow Insiders, because to him I managed to get this $100 promo code, and that's how I managed to get these boots. But anyways, let's get right into the unboxing of New Republic, and finally have this boot in my hands. For a while now, I've been trying to get some Jodhpurs exactly like these ones, and every time I will find them, they'll be like for $100, and that's too expensive for me. I can't afford that. So when Thursday Boot dropped their line with the Jodhpurs, I ended up copying theirs because they're like one of the most affordable and trusted brands. But then New Republic came out with these, and they're a little bit pricier too if you're not a member. And I don't know what you're doing if you haven't become a member yet. You should go ahead and check my link. Get yourself 25% off on these nice Chelsea boots. You do join the club, so go ahead and check one of my recent Mellow Club videos so you can see how that works. But for today, we're just gonna cover these boots. So I don't know what you guys think about these Suede boots. Do you guys like them? Do you guys even like Jodhpurs? They're starting to become a little bit more popular over the years because Chelsea boots, everybody has them, but now everybody wants the one with the booted belt. These is like a whole piece that is cut around the back, and it does has a nice functional belt. They do use 100% cowhide suede and 100% crepe sole, and they use vegetable tan welts, and they use 100% leather lining, and it does have the signature pull tab logo, which I know a lot of you guys don't like, but I kind of grew into it. I'm starting to like the logo because I am a big fan of New Republic, and it is a nice touch. And have I mentioned the price on this bad boy? They are a little bit pricey. They do run up to $150 if you're not a Mellow Club member, and if you are, you do get them for like $111. But man, what can I say? You are getting some high quality Jodhpurs boots. I mean, you do get 100% cowhide suede, 100% crepe sole. You get extra foot bed for extra comfort. You have functional belt buckle, like I mentioned. And I have had my Chelsea boots for like over 2 years now, and they've been holding up. They're reliable, comfortable, and what else can I say? But to try these big stuff. Alright guys, so just a quick update on the New Republic Jodhpurs Carl belted boots. And I don't know if I mentioned this, but I actually got these on a size 9.5. I usually get them in a size 9, but I'm actually glad that I got them in a size 9.5 because these boots are actually a bit more narrow than the New Republic Chelsea boots. And I noticed that because after wearing it a full day, I did feel it kind of tight on the toe box, and not too much, but I realized that if I would have gotten them a size 9, that would probably bother me a lot. So if you do have a white foot, I suggest you to at least go half a size up. But if anything, I'll say go to true to size, because I do have a bit of a white foot, and that's why I feel like it kind of bothered me a little bit. Not too much, but you know, I'll say just go to true to size if you never had a problem. If you do own some Chelsea boots from New Republic, you could still go true to size, unless you know if you have a white foot. I really do suggest you to have a size up this time. And that's pretty much what I have for you today. But I don't know if I mentioned it, but if you do get them a little bit big, it does have the functional buckle, which I kind of don't like. I do like how it looks and everything. It looks, you know, beautiful, but you know, I got so used to my New Republic Chelsea boots just, you know, to slip them in and off. And these ones, I had to buckle them up every time I use them, and then buckle them up every time I take them off, so it won't get all loose from right here and start looking nasty. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much what I have for you today. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave them down below. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos like this one. Also, I don't know if you noticed the shine on my hair. I actually finished my Ocean Clay review from Shivu, and if you guys haven't checked that out, I have it linked in the description down below, because I actually did like that product. But anyways, guys, until next time, it's your boy Gabs.